So what are we making today?
Today we're making the water type Sparkle Power sandwich.
All right, that's a lot of cucumbers.
It's very hydrating.
What's gonna work best with this?
Since it's very watery, I want some salt in there.
Okay, well how about a little bit of sweet too?
Okay.
Oh, right, we do that first.
All right, let's get to it.
Well, this is gonna be a very tall sandwich. We did not do this well.
Well, the bun is really small.
I know, but we probably could have fit it a little bit better.
It's all cucumber. We're not missing out on anything.
Fair enough. Oh, we need our top piece of bread.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh, yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work.
Well, at least that side won't move.
All right. Let's give it a try.
All right, I'm gonna bite this one first.
You might want
Okay, I did make it too tall. It's just pickle. Cucumber doesn't taste like anything. I mean, cucumber has a taste, but it's overpowered by the pickle.
It's too
Again.
tall. How am I gonna? It is very moist.
It at least isn't lip puckering.
Yes.
Well, how would you rank it?
It's okay. Kind of meh.
I agree. It's meh.